Welcome to the Homestar Metal and Wood Platform Bed Assembly tutorial. Assembly should take place on an open area on a flat surface. To begin, remove the parts and hardware from its packaging and clear the area of any packaging. You will need a hammer, a Phillips, and a flathead screwdriver for assembly. On both shelf back panels, screw 8 cam posts into each panel. Connect the shelf side panels to both shelf back panels with 2 conformant bolts on each shelf side panel. Attach the shelf dividers with 2 conformant bolts per divider on the lower placement holes of the bottom shelf panel. Secure the bottom shelf panel with the back panel by screwing 6 conformant bolts throughout the bottom of the panel into the back panel. To build the left shelf, screw 8 cam posts into the top shelf panel. Process for both sets of shelves. To secure them, place 2 metal cams into both sides of the shelf panels and the shelf dividers. Tighten the cams by screwing them clockwise until tight and apply the screw caps to the face of each of the cams. Press 2 metal cams into the side of the slats. Install the slats into the bed shelf units by inserting the cam bolts into the side holes and slats on both sides and tighten them with a clockwise motion. Repeat this process for all 4 slats. Screw in 14 cam posts into the top of the footer panel. Fit the footer shelf dividers into the cam post into the top footer panel. press 2 metal cams per shelf dividers. Tighten the metal cams by screwing them clockwise and then applying the screw caps to the face of each of them. Attach the small footer shelf divider to the top footer shelf panel by screwing the cam post to the top panel into the holes on the bottom of the shelf dividers. Press 2 metal cams into the divider, tighten with a clockwise turn, and apply the screw caps to the face of the cams. Connect both front footer panels of the top shelf panel by inserting the cam post to the top panel Press 2 metal cams into the front footer panels. Tighten with a clockwise turn and apply the screw caps to the face of the cams. Secure the front footer panels to the foot shelf unit by screwing 2 conformant bolts into each of the front panels and applying the larger screw caps. Install the back footer panel to the footer shelf unit, inserting the cam post unit into the back panels by pressing the 4 metal cams along the bottom of the back panel and screwing them tight clockwise. Take the footer panel and insert the cam bolts into the top holes of the front shelf panels. Press 2 metal cams into the front shelf panels and tighten them clockwise to apply the screw caps on the face of the cams. To assemble the footer shelf, screw 4 cam posts into the back end of the footer shelf bottom. To secure the footer panel, screw 10 conformant bolts into the panel. Conjoin the footer shelf and the side bed shelf unit by pressing 2 sleeve nuts throughout the inside of the shelf of the footer shelves into the inside of the side bed shelf unit. Then, while holding the sleeve nuts tight with a flat head, twist the screws from the inside of the bed and screw it to the sleeve nuts with a Phillips head screwdriver. Repeat this process for the other sides of the footer and side shelf units. Lie the bedboards into the slats until fitted.